Welcome back to another wonderful adventure in the Avocado house. Well, as you saw in the last video, we painted the kitchen, we painted the master, and now we have floors. I just broke that. There's 65 cents gone. So, we got flooring. The cork flooring is in the den. It's also in upstairs. So, we can go look at that. But today's project, we've already masked it off, but we're gonna be painting the upper cabinets and the trim around the window. That all needs to be painted in 3 coats of the trim enamel white paint. That one back there. This is the navy for the bottom. The bottom ones are gonna be navy, the top ones are gonna be the white. We also have all the lights in. I think you guys have seen that. We can go upstairs. We don't have all the lights in upstairs, but floors are in, which is the big part, big hurrah. So we gotta figure out what to do here, the transition between the stairs, but the cork floors are in all the way down the hallway and in the master closet. Looks really good. We do have to paint back here. Might get that into this video as well, painting in here, but we do have a little bit of touch up I need to do with the mud. But anyways, let's go get the paint sprayer, load up and ready to go, and start spraying the cabinets. We got 3 coats to do, so do one now, okay, then we gotta wait like 2 hours. So let's get the first coat on. All right, so that's about 2 coats. It's a little bit more than 2 coats of white paint done. Looking all good. There's a few areas of minor, you might be able to catch it a little bit right there, but I'm not sure that those are really gonna be too much of a deal. There's a spot right here and one right there, but I'm not really too concerned about it. So, I'm gonna move over to the navy paint, gonna clean out this cycle and basically get my navy paint in there and hit the bottom ones. So, this is where it's gonna be really exciting, hitting navy on the bottom. Today's the day, guys. The paint's done. It's dry. We can rip plastic off. Enjoy. This is gonna be super satisfying. What do you think?
I think it's pretty as shit.
You couldn't even, like, the concrete countertops blend in so well.
I know.
It looks awesome. Obviously we gotta get doors painted and everything, and there's, the primer left a lot of flakes everywhere, but looks pretty damn good. Looks pretty damn good.
We just gotta touch up a couple of these tiles.
Yeah, some of the epoxy started to flake off in a couple areas where there was some tape.
Probably where it hadn't completely dried yet.
Not a huge deal, but that's gonna wrap up this video on painting the cabinets, the base of the cabinets. We'll make another video when we paint the rest of it, and also when I design the other cabinets I need to put in here. One back there, one up there, but yeah, completed, donezo.
Job well done.
So out here in the garage, garage has had a lot done to it, including these awesome hexagrid lights. That video is on my truck channel, so you guys might have seen it. Working on painting the garage doors. That one's done, that one is not. It's a slow process, but this right here, this is the cubby that's gonna go in between the 2 cabinets up around the sink. So this is going to be in another video. I didn't film actually making this. I'm going to be filming the kitchen surround. This was like a quick project I knocked out one night. I got all the lumber over there to do the next one, but this is really cool. It's pretty straightforward, just plywood cut to length. I did notch out the back of the plywood to put this 1x2 in here for a nice finish. This is just your standard iron-on linoleum on the front to make it a clean front. But this is currently out here because this is getting painted this weekend and installed. I'll shoot some videos on that, and that video will tailor into building that for the kitchen surround. Cool project. This is coming. Anyways, that is all for the current updates on the house. The current video that we filmed, or the catching up of videos I guess we're doing. But that was the kitchen cabinet remodel, reface, flipping the cabinets. Awesome renovation. Highly recommend it if you have the time to do it. It was very time consuming. Probably spent at least 2 weeks. A lot of painting, a lot of sanding, a lot of painting. That's pretty much all that project is. It's just a lot of sanding, a lot of painting. And I will give a shout out. We bought all the Craig tools, or my parents did. My dad kindly enough bought me the Craig tools to do all the cabinet hinges and everything. Highly recommend getting the Craig tools to make installing those soft close flush mount hinges or whatever a lot easier, and also the rig to drill the holes for the handles also. Anyways guys, like the video, comment down below what you guys think, subscribe to the channel, help us out. We're trying to grow this channel. We're really just filming it to document the progress of the house so we can look back on it years from now. But yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.